Welcome to this technical guide on the Alienware R3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Alienware R3 turns on but the screen stays black, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to a faulty display cable or a malfunctioning screen. If left untreated, it could lead to more extensive damage, making it crucial to address the problem as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement screen. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver, taking care to keep them safe. Gently insert the plastic opening tool into the seam of the back panel and carefully pry it open, being cautious not to damage any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the display cable connected to the motherboard. This cable is usually situated near the hinge area. Carefully disconnect it by pulling on the connector, ensuring you do not tug on the cable itself. Next, we need to remove the faulty screen. Unscrew the screws holding the screen in place, which are often located at the corners of the display. Lift the screen gently from its position. With the old screen removed, place the new screen into the same position and reattach the screws securely, but do not over-tighten them. Now, reconnect the display cable to the new screen, ensuring it's seated properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel by aligning it and pressing it down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the back panel and power on your laptop to check if the issue has been resolved. To prevent this problem from occurring again, avoid putting pressure on the laptop screen and ensure it's stored in a safe place. Regularly clean the laptop's vents can also help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.